Hello traders and welcome to NinjaTrader 8 features. In this video, we're going to talk about working with indicators on charts. The topics that we're going to go ahead and cover are using the indicators window, adding an indicator, editing indicator parameters, and removing an indicator. As a reminder, trading does carry significant risk, and all information in this video is provided for educational purposes only and is not an offer or recommendation to trade futures, stocks, options, or Forex. There are a few different ways you can go ahead and access the indicator panel. By going onto the chart, you can go ahead and left click on the indicator button up here at the top. You can go ahead and right click on your chart on a blank space and go to indicators here, or hit Control I as a hotkey. Once open, the indicator panel is configured into three different windows here. You have available indicators. It has all your third-party and default indicators. You have your configured indicators, the ones that are loaded onto the chart. And you have the properties, so whenever you select an indicator, you can adjust the properties of that indicator here on the right. So let's go down to a popular indicator, such as the MACD, and load that in here. So that'll be configured and will load onto the chart. Once you have this loaded and selected, you can go ahead and change a lot of the different parameters here onto the chart. Now, as every tool and every indicator is different, you're going to have different parameters and different settings in each tool for setup and visual. And as data series setup and visual will be roughly about the same, but other lines, plot lines, visual content, or parameters will be different. Once you go ahead and select the correct parameters or the customized parameters for your tool, you can always go ahead and save that template by clicking template in the bottom right hand corner, clicking save. If you save it as default, every time you select that indicator on any chart, it'll go ahead and go back to your default settings or your customized settings here that you have made default. At the same time, you can go ahead and name the templates, maybe 3 different templates for one particular indicator, and just quick select whichever indicators by going to load and then selecting whichever template that you'd like to select for that indicator. You can always go back to reset, which will go ahead and bring the indicator back to its default setting. You can also remove the indicator by simply clicking remove, selecting the indicator here and selecting remove. Otherwise, you can go ahead and select the indicator onto the chart just by left clicking and clicking the delete button.